Hello everybody, welcome back. Thank you for joining me for another video. It is Saturday, Saturday, March 8th. I'm leaving for Dallas, Texas on Monday and I have so much to do and I still have to pack like a bunch of stuff and I'm like really starting to stress out and have anxiety because there's so much to do and so little time and I'm just stressed out. So this is the last, or no, I might be able to do one more. I will try and have videos for you guys while I'm away, so that you guys have something to watch while I'm gone. But yeah, I'm leaving on Monday. And, for those of you who are new watching or forgot or don't know or whatever, Dallas, Texas, I'm going to go teach at the Fluid Art Experience at the Renaissance Hotel. It's like you have a week, just less than a week to still buy tickets if you want to come and learn from me in person, okay? www.fluidartexperience.com or just check the description below for all the info. After this video, you're not going to hear me talk about the Fluid Art Experience in Dallas, Texas, because it'll be over by the next video. In the last video, let me show you the dried results. I love this thing. This thing is so cool. Look at this. Look at that metallic cobalt blue shimmer. Is that not insane? I mean, come on. That is flippin' amazing. Okay, look at that. It dried perfectly. I can't believe it. So, no, I can believe it. I can. Look how pretty that is. So this is a 16 by 20. It still needs a top coat of crystal resin. And if you want to purchase that one, it is available. You can email me. So in the last video, a lot of people said do green, the reflex green. There were a lot of other opinions. A lot of people said black, which is what I'm doing today because I am going to do some of the other base opinions that were put in the comments. Just today's not that day because I need to do a quick video and then continue packing and getting ready for my trip. But someone had mentioned like a navy blue or a dark purple. Those two would look stunning with this color palette. Someone said cream. That would look really cool too. I think these would look really cool with a lot of different bases. So I will try a navy blue or a purple or whatever, but today it's going to be black. So Oxide Black by Amsterdam. Colors are Cadmium Red Free Light by Liquitex. We've got a 24 karat gold by DecoArt. Then we have Luminous Violet, I believe it was. Fluorescent Violet, by Liquitex. Then we have Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. Interference Turquoise by TriArt. Quinacridone Magenta by Holbein. And then topping it off, just a little bit of Titanium White by Amsterdam. So those are the colors. If you want to know how I mix my paints, I mix them with water and Floetrol. And if you want to know the ratios, check out video number 434. I will link it up here at the top. You can also check out my previous video if you want more information, like on the Liquitex. I did talk a little bit more about that in my previous video. All right, I'm gonna flood my canvas and I'll be right back. Alrighty, canvas flooded, bubbles have been popped with the torch, and I forgot to mention this is a 14 by 18 inch canvas. Alright, so I'm going to do the same composition as last time because I really like it. So, let me concentrate for a second here. Oops, I actually just put the nozzle of my Loli Veffy bottle in the paint. I have never done that, my friends. Okay, is that enough? Maybe that's too much. If what I'm doing is too much, but it is what it is. All right, so let's continue on here. Yeah, so I have a lot to do. I got to get the dogs ready. I got to get their food and everything ready and packed because they're going to doggy boarding for a week. My son is going on a school trip for a week for March break. They go to Ottawa, then Montreal, and then hop on over to New York City. I've never even been to New York, but it's an educational trip that he's taking for high school. It'll apply a credit for next year for him for grade 10. So I got to get him ready and get him packed up and ready to go. And then I have to drive him at 5 a.m. on Sunday to the drop-off point. Oh my gosh, I've got so much to do. So much to do and so little time. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm freaking out now. It's coming down to the wire. You know, I'm so excited, but I'm also very, very stressed out. Super stressed. All right, colors are down. Let's pop the bubbles. That orange looks like it's taking over. All right, let's see. Last time I started here, where shall I start? I'm gonna start a little lower. Whatever. I'll just do what I do. That orange sure did dominate. So I probably shouldn't have done that extra little squiggle. I'm not mad at it though. I actually really like it. Now what I'm a little worried about is how much paint is here in the center. It's pretty thick in there. I could tell when I kind of pushed this out this way, but it's fine. I'm sure it'll be fine. Wow, this really pops. Like, okay, the orange really did take over a lot on the edges, just the edges, because in the center, the fluorescent violet is definitely in there. And I really, really like that. This is so interesting compared to the turquoise base. It really pops. It really, really pops. But yeah, the orange is definitely, look at the little cells. It's really pretty. I really like it. Even right here, that's really cool. Oh, wow. Look, you can't see it, but I can see it. There is going to be some really cool paint skins over here. Okay, I am going to fix up my edges, and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So before we get to this vibrant, colorful close-up, say that, vibrant, colorful close-up. I don't know. Don't forget to take your stick and you want to scrape those drips. Scrape the drips, scrape, scrape, scrape. Do all 4 sides and come back 10 minutes later, do it one more time. All right. I really, really, really like this. I'm not a fan of orange, but on the black, it really pops and it is totally growing on me. And I see more cells have appeared while I was fixing my edges and doing my thing. I'm really, really happy with this. This color combination, good job, Lisa Marvin. I'm definitely going to do this color combo on a lot of other different color bases. That is for sure. So let's turn the lights off and check out the shimmer. Alrighty, the flash is on and we know, look at that. Got that 24K mixed in with that orange. That looks so, oops, my camera's doing funny things. Oh, there we go. Sorry. Look at that. Lots of shimmer. My camera needs to focus. Lots and lots of shimmer. My camera has a mind of its own sometimes, so don't blame me. I can't blame Apple, but I still love Apple very much. Well, there you have it, my friends. Would love to know what you think about this one in the comments below. Do you like the dark black base with these colors? Again, I will try and do like the other colors that were mentioned in the previous video, just probably when I get back from Texas, because I don't think I'm going to have any more time to do any more videos. If so, maybe one more, but we'll see. But let me know what you guys think. It is available for purchase. If anyone is interested, you know what to do. And again, about 6 days or so left before the Fluid Art experience. So if you want to come see me in Dallas, Texas, I do still have spots available. I've got the bloom class, large canvas blowouts, resin classes, all kinds. So check out the link in the description below for information and for tickets. That is it for me for now. Until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.